Parrots come in a huge variety of colors, sizes, and personalities. Some are tiny and chatty, others are big and super intelligent. Here are some popular kinds of parrots. Small parrots, budgerigar, budgie. Very common pet, small, colorful, and can even learn to talk. Lovebird, cute, social birds that bond closely with their partners. Parrotlet, tiny but bold, sometimes called pocket parrots. Medium-sized parrots, cockatiel, friendly and easy to care for, known for their head crest. Quaker parrot, intelligent and talkative with a playful nature. Conure, bright, energetic, and often very loud but fun companions. Large parrots, African gray parrot, extremely intelligent, one of the best talking parrots. Macaw, big, colorful birds with long tails and strong personalities. Cockatoo, very affectionate but need lots of attention. Amazon parrot, known for their strong voices and playful behavior.